Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be installing some reverse lights on my car. So let's jump right in. To make the job easier I'm gonna remove the rear bumper, and to get to some of the screws I have to remove the rear wheels. I've also changed some settings on the camera, so I hope it looks better now. The plastic is so soft here, so I'm just gonna cut this with my knife instead. After that I removed the rear lights to reveal some plastic clips. Then I can unscrew the bumper from the bottom. Then there should be only some clips left here. And yes, I should have cleaned where the lights go, but I'll leave that for another day. There was also a screw on both sides that I had missed, so I had to unscrew them.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here.
And after that I'm gonna measure the polarity of the reverse light to know where to take the signal to the relay from. Okay, that's correct, so the white and black one, just as I thought. And then I can remove all the junk from the boot of the car to get access to where the tire repair kit is, and also the air compressor to fill the tires. And before I can do that I'm gonna remove the negative cable from the battery, so it's safe to remove my subwoofer and amp. And after it's empty I can open the floor and get rid of the box that contains the air compressor and the tire repair kit. Beneath that I find some fun stuff, for example a DisplayPort cable and also a spark plug key and some other stuff. The recording got corrupt or something, so I don't know where it ended. I can't see that before I put the file into the PC, but yeah, what I did was I drilled some holes, as you can see, and then I just put some primer on it, and that's where the cables are gonna go. So I got the Purelux Terrain Black Slim Flood. It's 30 watts and I got 2 of them. And I also wanted the Deutsch DT2 plug to quickly disconnect it if the inspection doesn't like this, so it takes like 2 minutes to get rid of both of them. Then I can start routing the 12 volt plus cable to the boot. the hardest thing is to get the cable through the firewall, so here I'm using a long drill bit and taping the cable onto it, and that works after a few tries. Okay, so the next step is to put a fuse here, right next to the battery. So I don't want this to be too short, but then also the fuse holder cable is pretty long, so maybe there. I'm just gonna do it the lazy way instead, with one of these, whatever they are called in English. This might be a bit too big, but I think it will be enough. The red one is too small instead, so. After that I just need to heat the solder splice heat shrink that Google says it's called. Then I can crimp the round terminal onto the cable so I can connect it to the battery. So what I'm gonna need now is a ground cable and then the cables for the lights themselves. I'm gonna make the cables for the lights and then I'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a ground point here now, and I'm gonna connect the ground there with a self-tapping screw. Now I should have ground. Then I installed the relay and routed all the cables through a hole that I drilled in the box, and I did all of that off cam. And then I could connect everything to the relay. Okay, so now this should work. Let's see. I forgot to connect the lights. But yeah, that works. Let's just finish it then. Those are really bright. Yeah, this will be more than enough. I'll be right back. Then I drilled some holes for the lights and installed them onto the bumper. And I don't know if you can see it here, but I've also put some silicone in the holes on the car.
Relationships will often end in disgust, and I know you want my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I'm bleeding nose running, you funny, you going
And now I just need to connect all the shit again. And yeah, as I said, I connected all the shit again and then just put the bumper back on. And then put the rear lights back as well. Then I just had to put back all the screws as well. I need to try if they still work. Yeah, you could say that they are working. And then remove the wheels again to get access to the screws that's behind the wheels. Okay, so I'm gonna get my other camera now and do the comparison photos. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!